Extraction of square root by division method. Okay, to find out the square root of any polynomials. So this division method is one of the method and it's very important. Let us see, we'll take one polynomial. Let me start with some simple polynomial first. For example, p of x is 25x square minus 30x plus 9. We should find out the square root of this by division method. So by method of inspection, that is also easy. Like this, any terms are very simple it is. If you see the method of inspection 25, method of inspection, let me find out the square root of this. Any formula is exist. 25x square is, you can write 5x whole square, right? And last is 9. 9 I can write 3 square. In between there is a minus 30x. So if it is a square and ending is b square, middle is minus 2ab. So 2 into and 5x into 3. You check this. 2 5 is a 10, 10 3 is a 30. Minus 30x is matching. So this is 5x minus 3 whole square. Okay, so therefore the square root is equals to 5x minus 3. This is the square root. But this is a by inspection method. Previous we discussed. In case the formula is exist, so we can apply directly because this is a square minus 2ab plus b square type. But when you come to this division method also, let us see this problem. Next we'll go for the some big type sums. We'll take the take more than 5 6 terms. Okay, let us start with the division method. This first we should take this question as this, that is a 25x square minus 30x plus 9. Now first term 25x square, this is first term square root you can find out, only 25x square, so that we can guess easily because 25x square root is 5x, right? Because 5x into 5x is 25x square, so that 5x you can write and same 5x right here, same place, this side and this, same like long division method type in the numerical sums. Okay, 5x into 5x is a 25x square. You can do subtraction this to cancel. Next one is minus 30x. Okay, that is the step. Now this is the 5x, no, whatever it is, you should be double this. So 5x into 2, double means you should into 2. 5x into 2 is 10x it is. Okay, just whatever the number, just you should make into 2 and write 10x. Now with this 10x, you just to check this. You can take even next term also, plus 9. So with this 10x, first term, here is the first term is this. 10x into dash is minus 30x. Okay, 10x into dash is equals to minus 30x. If you don't know what you'll do, you'll take minus 30x divide by 10x. So x cancel, 10 1s are 10 3s are minus 3. You can guess directly because easy numbers. 10x into minus 3 only minus 30x. So that minus 3 you write here. Same minus 3 you write in this place. Now with this minus 3 you should multiply this entire. With that minus 3 you can multiply entire this. Minus 3 into 10x is minus 30x. Again minus into minus plus 3 3 is a 9. Yeah, if you change the sign and subtract, you got the 0. Once you get the 0, and this is our square root, that is 5x minus 3 in this quotient place. So therefore square root is equals to 5x minus 3. Okay, so let me show one more example, it will be very clear for you. That means 5x minus 3 into 5x minus 3, same, this will come 2x 25x square minus 30x plus 9. Let us take one example. Find the square root, same division method I'll do this. Find the square root of take some polynomial, some big number, 4x power 4 plus 12x cube y plus 13x square y square plus 6 y cube plus y to the power 4. Yeah, this one I should find out the square root. So let's start the solution. First we should take as it is this, that is the 4x power 4 plus 12x cube y. When asking to find out square root, which is the possible only, they'll give in the question also, right? So plus 13x square y square plus 6x y cube plus y to the power 4, right? Now let's keep the line. First term is 4x power 4. First term square root you find out. Okay, this obviously we can guess easily, that is 2x square, right? Because 2x square into 2x square is 4x power 4. Yeah, same 2x square you write here. Now take this 2x square and multiply this, that is 4x to the power 4. Just you can line and subtract this to cancel. Next two terms you can take the two terms, that is 2 or 3 terms you can take. Okay, let's take two terms. If required, you can take third one also. So this is the 12x cube y plus 13x square y square. Now let it be. Now next our method is, whatever it is, we should double this. Okay, 2x square if we double, that is 4x square now. Now same with 4x square into dash is this first term. Otherwise if you don't know, means we can take this and divide this directly. So there's rough work. So 12x cube y divided by this 4x square you can do. So 4 1s are 4 3s are x square x cube, now 1x cancel, so 3xy. Okay, 4x square into dash is equals to 12x cube y, that we should find out. So that is 3xy. Okay, same plus 3xy. 3xy right here, same plus 3xy right here. Now take this 3xy and multiply this entire this part and write down. Okay, 3xy into 4x square. As obviously same will come because 12x cube y. And same 3xy into next to 3xy. So that is plus 9x square y square, right? Now we can do subtraction this, change the sign terms, so minus minus, you'll get cancel this obviously first one, 13 minus 9. Okay, this is the 4x square y square. Take next to two terms down, because next to two terms we required, because one term is increasing. So that is plus 6xy cube plus y to the power 4. Yeah, now again previous 2x square I doubled this 4x square, right? 4x square is as it is. Now this term should be double, whatever you're adding extra, that should be double and right next place every time. So 3xy into 2 is 6xy, right? Now here is the first term, and first term you should check same. So 4x square, and this is 4x square y square. So extra y square we need into y square. 4x square into y square only, 4x square y square. So that y square right here, same plus y square right here above. Now with this y square you multiply this entire. So y square into this 4x square. So 4x square y square plus again y square into 6xy. Okay, 6xy cube it is, plus y square into y square is y power 4. Accurately you'll get last step, because all are same with opposite sign, you can cancel. Everything is same, right? You can see. You'll get 0. If they'll give perfect square root polynomial, you'll get a correct answer. So now the answer is 2x square plus 3xy plus y square. Once you get 0, you should see the quotient number. That only are required. Hence square root. So square root of that p of x, that polynomial is 2x square plus 3xy plus y square. Yeah. So this is the method. In this main thing is you should doubling that terms. Double again this is as it is, which is the next one, you should double and write. Okay, this is the concept you can remember. So this is the extraction of square root by division method. And not only this, we have one more method, same, finding the square root, the method of indeterminate coefficients. Let us see that method also now.